Hey friends, it's Keen. It's been a long time. I'm still down here in Texas, as some of you may know, here since March 1st. The reason for my long stay is that my friend Guy, who came down with me, forgot his medications and decided to go home, get them, and return within a week. The border was subsequently closed, non-essential travel put to an end, and Guy is still back home, which means that I'm here with the toy hauler, with his motorcycle, and my Harley as well. Now, in terms of options, I could have stored all these things and flown home, which would entail 4 different airports and risk contamination. Austin Airport to Houston, or Orlando, or Detroit, and then Toronto to Sudbury. Decided not to take that risk, to stay put, hoping the border would open, but it did not, has not, and likely will not for a while. Also, another factor is waiting for the weather to clear up so that I could tent all the way home to avoid exposures in motels and towns and cities from Spicewood to Noelville, which is approximately 2,600 kilometers, I believe. I'll have to check. Next video. So I want to show you my journey to come on a map, and in following videos I'll talk about the packing and the essential items that I selected to take home. A few things maybe I didn't have to take home, but I'm taking home because I likely won't see them for a year or so. And the journey. Here's the map, and where I am today is Spicewood, down here in Texas, north of San Antonio. And the first day I plan to go to the area of Byers, Texas, just on the southern border of Oklahoma. The next day I'll drive through Oklahoma into the lower end of Kansas and camp in here. On day 3, it's north through Kansas, heading over towards Missouri, and camping over in this area here. Following that trip, we're going to go north through Iowa into the lower end of Minnesota, camping here, waiting for what I see on the radar, perhaps 2 days of rain next Thursday, Friday. Hopefully it clears up so that I can continue my way home, staying at the northern end here of Minnesota that night and crossing the border, hopefully around July 12th. That's what I'm hoping. 13th maybe, 14th if that rain continues. And then driving over to Thunder Bay, where I'll meet up with Guy, who will trailer the motorcycle, and we will drive back home together and isolate in Noelville on the farm where we reside. So stay tuned for more videos about the packing and the various day trips all the way home.